Hi, Anastasia. This is Larry. So I'm going to explain to you a few things about this so you can really understand what we're doing here. Here is explicit formula for an arithmetic sequence. That means there's the same jump from one term to the next. It increases by the same amount each time. So before I get to recursive formula, let's just look at the sequence of numbers that this explicit formula talks about. When n equals 1, that means the first term of the sequence, a sub 1, equals 23 plus 8 times n, which is 8 times 1. That equals 31. So the first term is 31. Let's look at the second term. N equals 2. Term equals 23 plus 8 times 2. That equals 23 plus 16. That equals 39. And we see that we're going to jump by 8 each time. And you can see that actually in the explicit formula. 8 times n, that means when n goes up by 1, the term in the sequence will go up by 8. So a sub 3 will be 8 plus 39, which is 47. So knowing that, we're going to put together our recursive formula. The recursive formula says two things. One is, how do you get to a term from the term before it? How do we get to a sub n if we know the term before it, which is a sub n minus 1? If we know the term before it, so how do we get to 47 if we know 39 is the term before it? Well, we're just going to add 8. That you could get right out of this explicit formula. That means we're going to add 8 each time. This is 1/2 of the recursive formula. The other part is, what is a sub 1? That we get right off of this chart here. A sub 1 equals 31. So there you go. The recursive formula has the two parts. How do you get to one term if you know the term before it? A sub n equals a sub n minus 1 plus 8. We're adding 8 each time. And we got to say what the first term is. We start at 31, and then we add 8, that's 39, and we add 8 more to 47, and we go on from there. So there you go. I'm going to follow this, so if you have any question or comment for me, or if I did something wrong, somebody will let me know. And thanks a lot. Bye-bye.